Close-up. IKEA store shelf with mysterious smart home boxes appearing early. Macro shot. Packaging showing only the Matter logo, no Apple, Google, Alexa. Dramatic pull-in. A shopper noticing the new boxes before release. 2. The big reveal hero shot. Rows of brand new sensors lined up with dramatic lighting. Over the shoulder. Someone opening a leaked instruction manual. Product close-up. AAA rechargeable batteries sliding into a new device. 3. Battery strategy moment split screen. Expensive coin cells versus affordable AA rechargeables. Macro. LADDA battery being inserted into a sleek sensor. Visual comparison. CR2450CR 123 coin cells stacked with high price tags versus IKEA AA rechargeables. 4. Sensor lineup montage. Motion sensor MYGGSPRAY mounted near a front door. Light turns on as someone approaches. Contact sensor MYGGSPRAY door opening triggers a smart light. TIMMERFLOTTE hand tapping the display to show temp humidity. Alpstuga air quality station measuring PM 2.5 CO with live readouts. Clipbox water leak sensor beeping under a washing machine. 5. Thread plus Matter network visualization. Abstract mesh network of thread nodes glowing and connecting. Smartphone UI Matter device pairing instantly across Apple, Google, Amazon ecosystems. Dirigera hub. Close-up of the hub glowing to indicate thread border router activity. 6. Smart bulbs. KAJPLATS lighting rack. New IKEA bulbs lighting up in warm gives cool transitions. Dynamic spin. Bulb rotating to show dual protocol, Thread plus Zigbee icons. Scene lighting change. Smart bulbs switching colors smoothly in a living room. 7. BILRESA remotes handheld demo. Scroll wheel remote smoothly dimming a lamp. Macro. Magnetic back sticking to a refrigerator surface. Wall plate. Remote snapping onto a minimalist wall mount. 8. Smart plug. KAJPLATS. Product beauty shot. Smart plug with gentle energy consumption graph overlay. Lifestyle shot. Lamp plugged into KAJPLATS turning on automatically. 9. Ecosystem value cost comparison graphic. IKEA starter kit at $150 versus Philips Hue setup at $470. Animated roadmap. Zigbee fading out as Matter over Thread expands. Global retail. IKEA stores worldwide with smart home signage. 10. Ending plus CTA. Desk setup. YouTuber-style desk with new products arranged neatly. Outro animation. Subscribe plus notification bell plus Smart Home 2026 preview text.